In this tutorial, I'll give a brief overview on how to set up the development environment. We're going to be using Eclipse and JavaFX. This tutorial series is not for complete beginners, so I am assuming you already have them installed, and I'm not getting into much details. Anyway, here are the steps. First, download the Java Development Kit if you don't have that already. You can either download the open source OpenJDK from this link, which is also in the description, or the Java SE Development Kit from the Oracle website. The link is also in the description. Then you have to install it and have the path in the system environment variables. Then go ahead and download Eclipse from the official site. I'll also provide the link in the description. Feel free to download the latest version there. There is no difference for our tutorial. Just so you know, I'm using Eclipse for Java developers 2018-09. Bear in mind that we don't need the enterprise version here, just the Eclipse for Java developers. So the last piece we need is JavaFX. We'll use Maven and Git in this tutorial series, so at any time you can check out the code and hopefully be able to run it directly in your PC. For this reason, JavaFX will be just a Maven dependency, and you will not need to download and install a plugin in Eclipse. But anyway, if you want to give it a shot, here you go. This is the official website for the JavaFX plugin for Eclipse. After downloading and installing Eclipse, go to Help, install new software, choose all available sites, wait until all the dependencies are fetched, and search for EFX Eclipse. Okay, so all you need now is to, as you see, it's already installed in my system. All you need to do is install this plugin and you'll have your support for JavaFX in your Eclipse IDE. Wait for the installation to finish. You can track the progress in the bottom. Then restart Eclipse and we are ready to go. In the next tutorial, we'll continue with creating our JavaFX project with Maven and Git.